And this will be a conclusion of this one. So should be getting out of here in about 30 minutes or so. Just gonna put a nice reconnection on that ductwork up there. Hey guys, back with another video today. This morning I'm feeling good, I'm feeling pumped, I'm happy to be alive. Woke up this morning with a sound mind, good health and strength. I hope everybody's doing the same out there. We had a rough year last year and a rough beginning of this year. So I hope everybody has an awesome year to come and the latter part of this year here. And today I'm going to do a install. I think it's going to be in an attic. I haven't seen the job as yet. My brother went and took a look at the job. But if it's in the attic, it'll probably take a little longer. But either way, it's going to get done. You know how I roll. It's going to get done, definitely. And I'm just hoping if any young guys run across this message, it's a good field to get into. You know, you can make a pretty decent living for yourself right here in South Florida, where it's 90% hot all the time. If you have a good work ethic in you, this is a good city. A good place to start. You know, with getting into this field. As long as you don't mind sweating a little bit, you know, and you have a good work ethic, because you won't get to really enjoy. You fixing them and you installing them, you don't get to enjoy them until you get home at night. So, but you know, like I said, that equates to money. You know, heat equates to money. So I don't watch the heat. Everybody's complaining how hot it is. When I see heat, I equate that to dollar bills. So when I get in this truck, I have a one-track mind. I get tunnel vision. When I get in this truck, I make up my mind, I execute what I have to do, and I get it done. So just want to motivate somebody today. Stay blessed, stay motivated. And like I say, you young guys out there, if you run across this video, this is an awesome field to get into, man. You could make a pretty decent living. You know, even starting out as a helper in this field, working with a company, you can start out pretty decent check, and you could grow until you decide, you know, what you want to do, if this is what you want to do, or you want to get into something else. But it's definitely a good trade to get into. So y'all stay blessed, ride with me. Gonna be doing this install. Thanks for watching. So guys, I got the system up and running. Just have to reconnect the ductwork, seal it off properly, and finish up my drain line, do some cleanup, a little cosmetic work. And this will be a conclusion of this one. So should be getting out of here in about 30 minutes or so. Just gonna put a nice reconnection on that ductwork up there. Okay guys, so the system is up and running, all duct in, high voltage, low voltage, copper lines, drain line. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. So guys, I just finished up that, it happened to be a 3-ton 16 SEER Goodman system with 8K heater. 3-ton Goodman 16 SEER 410A refrigerant with an 8K heater. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys as always. And stay tuned. I'll have some more videos coming pretty soon. About to go to lunch. Y'all know lunchtime is the best time. Stay tuned. Thanks guys.